today we are going to explore the concept of a photography tour and why it can be valuable to photographers of all levels. I'm very excited to be doing this video today as I'm about to launch my own sunset walking photography tours in Port Douglas. I'm going to use these tours as an example for this video. However, this is by no means a promo for the tours, but if you do want more information, there is a link in the description. So what exactly is a photo tour? At its core, a photo tour is a guided excursion which combines both photography tuition and an immersive exploration of a destination. On a photo tour, you have the opportunity to learn from seasoned professionals who give you tips and tricks on your photography, but also teach you about the culture and the history of the area that you are visiting. Imagine walking through the streets of Port Douglas, guided by somebody that knows where all the hidden gems are and secret spots are that give you unique perspectives for your photos. During a photo tour, you'll receive guidance on composition, lighting, and other camera settings to help you capture the moments that convey the essence of a place. One of the many advantages of a well-planned photo tour is that it will take you to the best locations at the best time of day. This ensures you make the most of the optimal lighting conditions and capture the true beauty of the destination. A photo tour is a fantastic way to enhance your travel experience. It allows you to document your journey whilst also improving your photography skills and creating lasting memories. Regardless of whether you're a beginner or an experienced photographer, a photo tour can provide you with valuable insights and inspiration, encouraging you to try new techniques and push your creative boundaries. By the end of a photo tour, you will not only have a collection of stunning images, but you'll also have made a deeper connection with the destination and the memories that you have created. So if you're looking to elevate your photography skills and explore a destination from a unique perspective, I encourage you to join a photo tour on your next travel adventure. Again, the link is in the description to learn more about my walking photography tours in Port Douglas. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to this channel to get more tips and tricks to improve your photography. I'll see you guys again next week.